anyone who has social services involved in their lives, I'm telling you now, it's rigged. They can put in these permanent records whatever they want. There is absolutely no oversight, none. Their supervisors condone this, the supervisors above them, right on up to Keith Weaver. In fact, what is happening now happened to me and my children 20 years ago. 20 years ago, John Banks Jr. was allowed to jump counties and escape charges of child abuse on children that weren't even his. Delaware County did nothing. Do you know where he escaped to? All the way to Shenango. He abused my children and I every way possible. Literally every way possible. And they did nothing. But this is what they do to me. Keith Weaver, in fact, was the very first caseworker who gave me my first indicated child abuse because I allowed John Banks to hit me. Because I allowed John Banks to choke me. He's 3 times my size. Do you know what law enforcement did when I called? Nothing. The Sydney Police Department did nothing. No charges against him, nothing. Social Services did nothing. Family Court did nothing. He, in fact, ended up with custody of the kids again. Now here we are, 2025, and I'm dealing with the same thing. They can just write in these records whatever they want. My problem is worsening because I have an apartment. And I do not have historical issues with cleanliness in her home. No, I don't. The caseworkers that were supposed to be doing home visits didn't. Do you want to know what my apartment looked like? It's on our YouTube. Look at our past videos. No, we didn't have a historical problem with cleanliness. And if the caseworkers had come to do the home visits, they would know this. It also states in here someplace that I have a problem with getting my paperwork done for social services, which is a complete and total fabrication. They just say whatever they want, and they get away with it. There's nothing you can do about this. Once it's in the record, it's in there. You can't change their minds. Once you're guilty, you're guilty. Guilty until proven innocent, and there's no way to prove your innocence. Something needs to be done about Delaware County Social Services. This place needs an overhaul.